Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self on this rainy day. Have you ever thought of what it would be like to have a freedom lifestyle? Have you ever considered what it would be like to be free from worry, free from doubt? You know, just being free to do what you want. Think about that for a second. Have you ever thought about that before? Because if you haven't, it's probably because you're just doing stuff. You're a human doing, and you haven't, thought about what it would be like to be doing things that you are just being a human being. But here's the thing. If you consider this for a moment, when you worry, that's negative goal setting. Wouldn't you agree? So worrying is negative goal setting. And so if you worry about things, you're basically predicting a horrible future, something disastrous, instead of thinking about a future that's prosperous and something that you will enjoy. And so when you do that, you create a pattern of thought, you create patterns that happen around you, you infect people around you and things around you with your worry. And that stops you from living a full and happy life and a freedom lifestyle. And right now, more than ever, we are in survival mode, because when you're worrying and doubting and you're uncertain about the future, you are in survival mode. And right now, people don't know what to do, what to think, what to look forward to. And so because of that, you're not living a free life, are you? You're doubting, worrying, concerned, and if you get caught into that cycle, then you're not going to be able to think clearly about what you want. So there is a solution to this, and it's not easy, because the pain of change is not fun, and everybody's going through this change right now. We all are. So if you're going to go through this pain of change and come out at the other end feeling good, you have to do some picturing of a better future, because right now the future doesn't look great. It looks like there's a lot of stuff going wrong, and especially with the media, it looks like things are not going to get any better. But why trust the media? Trust your own mind, trust your intuition, trust your own inner guidance. Look forward to what you want. Picture that. Look into your own future and think about what you want, because worry and doubt is always going to be there. It's there to shock you into awareness. But you don't need to do that. What you can do is focus your attention on what you want and act like you already have it, which takes quite a bit of effort sometimes, because you're going to look at your reality and say, this isn't true. I don't have these things. It's not possible. I don't know how. And you get caught up in figuring out how. And I tell you, don't get caught up in how. There's always somebody who's done the thing you want to do or need to do, and all you need to do is ask who. So take how, put that H, swap the W and put it in front of the H, make it who. Who has done this before? Who can I follow? Who can I study? Who can I learn from? Who knows how to solve this problem? And who is living the lifestyle that I'd like to live right now? And if you'll do that, then you'll get out of the cycle of worry and doubt and have a freedom lifestyle. Sounds easy. There's work to be done. But if you're in business and you are growing your business to 7+ figures, I can help you do that. Send me a direct message and we'll see if we're a good fit. Remember to help cure mental blindness disease and think differently and do different things today. Check out my YouTube channel and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.